welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. So today I discuss what are the implication of this discovery. So before I start my discussion, so these are the parts. So let's start the discussion. Secondly, from two hospitals in Wuhan, the hotspot Chinese cities of pandemic, the gigantic material of SARS-CoV-2 has been detected in the aerosols. Despite this, it isn't known if the virus is infectious in this form. Perhaps the strongest of all the evidence is how the novel coronavirus spread like wildfire, and the constant pattern of the super spreading events can be noted throughout the world. In these instances, a large number of people appear to have been infected by the coronavirus despite the absence of the close personal contact. What are the implications of this discovery? The airborne nature of the coronavirus will provide to be huge setback in the fight against corona, as it means the social distancing norms will have been for nothing, as the virus can fastly transmit even in the absence of the personal contact. It also raises a scarier possibility that the virus is probably traveling through the air currents and might even be transmitting through the appliances like air condition and humidifiers. What does this mean for us? Now that it's clear that the airborne transmission is possible, the problem is finding out the significance of its role in spreading the COVID-19. What needs to be determined is that if the significant mode of the transmission of the SARS-CoV-2 is airborne or through droplets. If the airborne transmission were the major mode, that it would entail a very different reality for the world in the near future. But since social distancing measures and lockdowns have turned out be successful in various parts of the world if implemented correctly, point towards the droplets mode being the major route of the transmission, with the airborne route playing a role occasionally, but this is just conjecture unless the research is done to support the argument. Corona can be spread air. So in the next part I will discuss corona can be spread through air. Thank you, friends.